So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on any service one time, and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to find Windows Audio, double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you're going to find audio. Click on run. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on yes. Wait for this to load. And it's now going to start running the scan for you right here. You just want to go through all the steps that come up. Once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.